Hello guys, today I'll be making a guide on FRep, which is an image sensing macro for Android users. Too bad iOS users can't do anything about this right now. For Android users, what you gotta do is go to Google Play Store and download this app. Once you've done that, what you should do is just search on Google how to enable USB debugging on Android, and it'll tell you what you need to do to enable USB debugging. After you're done with these two things, I will send you this link in the description below. You could go to this web page and go down here to initial setup, and you just choose whatever device you're using to set it up. Right now I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna download this one. It's gonna download a zip file which I'm gonna need to extract. Once I extract it, this is what it's gonna look like. And all you gotta do is open win.bat. Right now I do have my phone connected to the PC, so this is what it's going to look like. Allow the USB debugging on Android and then press enter key. I'm just going to say yes on my phone and press enter. Keep USB debugging mode on and everything over here is okay. Press enter to confirm. There we go. And just going to wait for a bit. Going to run some code. Server has started, initialization finished, and I can close this and terminate batch job YN. So you just type N for no, enter. And that's basically it. You're done with the setup. If the first one did not work for you, you can try this. For some people, this one might be the right one. If neither of these worked for you, then I will send you this link in the description for frequently asked questions or troubleshooting. For me personally, I was using Android 8, so I had to click on this one and it had a pretty good guide on how to set it up. Okay, hopefully everything worked out well for you till now. After this, I'm gonna switch to my phone and show you the second half of this setup. So after you're done setting up, this is the screen that you'll be greeted with once you open FRep. What you want to do is go to record settings and go to progress, tone this down to as less as you can. After that, what you want to do is I'll go to options and I'll show you all the settings that I have. Just pause the video as you need to and change anything that is not the same as mine. Just scrolling. Scrolling. Alright, so now let's head on to Wharf Divisions and we'll record our macro. So now I'm going to show you how the actual recording process works. The first thing you want to do is you want to take a screenshot of all the buttons that you want to press. So right now I want to press on the next, but I'll take a screenshot of the whole screen right now. And that's because of War of Divisions has this red tracing kind of thing that sometimes interferes with the actual screenshot that the FRep takes. That's why what you want to do is you want to take your own screenshots of the buttons that you're pressing. For me, I'm hosting right now, so I'll just take that too, and I'll take a screenshot of this embark, and I'll take a screenshot of this embark. And that's it, we're done with the screenshots. Now I'm just gonna wait and let this run finish. Okay, now the run has finished and we can go ahead and start recording our macro. So what you want to do is click on this notification tab and this console is what will pop up for you. You want to click on the red button and that's gonna start your record. You're gonna press the next, wait for this pop up, press return, wait for that pop up. I'll click embark, wait for that thing to pop up, click on embark, and wait for that thing to pop up. Now we're good. And now press the power button. After you've reopened your lock screen, you can just rename this, let's say WOTV multi, and I'm just gonna press done. So now we're back here after recording our macro inside the FRep. You go to manage traces. It's gonna do all of that. You just select the one we just saved, edit sequence, and you have a bunch of stuff here, but don't worry, we'll walk through all of them. First of all, we're just gonna remove wait app, delete this item. We don't need the 90 degree, delete this item. Wait image, that one we need, we'll leave it as it is. The rest, we'll just throw it all away. And finally, this one. So notice we had 4 clicks and we have 4 wait images. So you just click on one of them, edit control settings, go and set match pixel rates. 85% is a good number, and this one should be 0.1 seconds. Next. And this one, fall timeout, we could select next. So both of these are next, 0.1, 85 seconds. And the label for this click, I'll find out once I do this. So I selected edit image, and I'm not gonna do edit rect. I'm actually gonna go to my file, and from my file I'm gonna select the screenshot which I just took. Don't know which one it is. Maybe it's this one. Okay, so I'll just select this one as my image, and the orientation should be correct. So if the top is up, then you know which side is your landscape normal gaming side. That way you can just turn it as you need and then apply. After you've done that, it will show you this screen right here with a box right there. So if you use 2 fingers and pinch, you can expand a bit, and if you pinch from the other side, you can expand or constrict it. Just select your button nicely there. Now you edit mask. This looks good. You adjust. This one should be right at the center so that you have a nice selection. Then you are done with this. Apply. And we know that this is our next button. Label it, apply. Basically, you do the same thing for all the next images as well. I'll just show you one more. Go down here, exact match rate, 85%. Tap center on success. Oh, I forgot to actually do this for the first one. Let me go back there. Tap center on success. This is actually pretty important, so don't forget to check that one. Like I did, don't be like me. So 0.1, and fall is next. And I'm gonna select edit image. So 1, 2, 3, I hope this was it. Yeah, okay. And again, orientation setting, this is my correct one. Apply. And here I have this. Pinch as you need to. Just get it nice and tight fit. And edit mask, looks good. Adjust, looks good actually. Apply. So I know this is my next button after that, so let's say this is return. You can apply, and we're gonna now do the same for the next 2, which I'm not gonna show. So I've gone ahead and completed both the other 2 setups as well, and this is the final screen you're supposed to see. After that, I'm just gonna press the plus icon on top right, sorry, and I'm gonna add loop. And this loop I'm gonna press and hold, and then I'm gonna drag to number 1, so everything is inside the loop. You can edit control settings, endless, or how many times you want. For me, I like it endless, and then apply. So that's it. You are now ready to use your macro.